Splash Mountain's final closing date has been announced for Disneyland. Food and Wine Festival is on for Epcot this summer. We've got dates. Annual passes are selling out and barges are disappearing. And by the way, Ron DeSantis not backing down. Hey everybody, it's AJ for Disney Food Blog. We've got some major updates on the Disney parks this week, restaurant news that I'm really excited to share with you as well, so let's get started. Epcot Food and Wine Festival dates have been announced. We've got the festival news you've been looking for. Epcot's International Food and Wine Festival will take place from July 27th, 2023, a little later than we expected, through November 18th, 2023. There will be more than 25 food booths at this year's festival, with some opening later in the festival season, as we've seen in other years, so not all of them will open with the festival on day one. Scavenger hunts and food crawls are returning. A Meals Fromage montage, the festival's cheese crawl, Remy's Ratatouille Hide and Squeak, and Pluto's Pumpkin Pursuit, a pumpkin scavenger hunt from September 29th to October 31st. Along with the Eat to the Beat concert series, although the lineup for performers has not been released yet. Now, if you're planning to attend this year's festival, stay tuned to DFB Guide. We are your Food and Wine Festival headquarters, y'all. We'll have full reviews of every single thing at the festival on the site on day one. Full menus ahead of time so you can plan, and of course an updated festival ebook so you've got all the info at your fingertips. You can pre-order it right now over at dfbstore.com. Get started on your planning with last year's guide and then use this year's guide once we publish it to finish up your planning. We've also recently launched tank tops at dfbstore.com so you can rep your favorite YouTube channel and your love of food and wine with our Food and Wine shirt collection. If you've purchased a shirt or guidebook or plan to purchase one, thank you for your support of this channel. It helps us do what we do, and it means the world to me. All right, Disneylanders, Splash Mountain closing date is here. Disney has confirmed that Splash Mountain will officially close in Disneyland on May 31st, 2023. That means the last day to ride this attraction will be on May 30th. Both the Disney World and Disneyland rides are being transformed into Tiana's Bayou Adventure, expected to open in late 2024. With this new Disneyland announcement, we learned a few more details about the new ride. First, they'll be piping the scent of beignets into the queue line, so we're really hoping we'll be able to buy some in Disney World after getting off the ride. Like right there in Magic Kingdom, because can you smell beignets and not have to go buy them right away? Certainly not when you're on vacation. And Disney also shared that in addition to Tiana, Prince Naveen, Louis, and Mama Odie, there are a few new characters that will also be appearing in the ride. Dozens of new original audio animatronic animal characters will be part of the ride, along with some familiar faces, including Eudora, Tiana's mom, Charlotte, Big Daddy, the King and Queen of Maldonia, and Prince Ralphie. Back over in Epcot, some big news for me, honestly. Breakfast is coming back to Garden Grill starting June 14th, 2023. Breakfast will be priced at $42 per adult, $27 per child. Meals are served family style at this character location where you can meet Mickey, Farmer Mickey, Pluto, Chip, and Dale. The menu is a bit different than we've had in the past. The sticky buns have been replaced by the cinnamon breakfast loaf, though the dishes themselves could be pretty similar, and we've gained a new cheesy potato casserole. Hello! As of right now, Disney hasn't officially confirmed that characters will be around during breakfast, but we will keep you posted. Okay, we got some weird news next. If you're hoping to catch Hollywood Studios' nighttime show during the first week of May, you'll want to double check your plans. Fantasmic will be closed for routine maintenance on May 1st and May 2nd, 2023. What? They just opened this show. Why does it have maintenance? Anyway, this short closure is only going to affect those 2 days. But keep an eye on show times through the coming months, as Disney's been updating times lately to adjust for park crowds. Back in Disneyland Magic Key Passes, those are annual passes, have gone back on sale. On April 11th, all 4 pass types were made available for new purchases, and those with existing passes were able to upgrade even if it was before their renewal window. As of this recording, all but the highest tier pass have sold out. Annual passes for Disneyland have gone on sale periodically but do not last long. Disney World annual pass sales are resuming next Thursday, April 20th. If you're looking to get one, plan to be ready to buy ASAP because Disney World annual passes have not been available to purchase since November 2021, and it's expected they will go quickly. In the Magic Kingdom, we started to see some 100th anniversary decor arrive. Now, Walt Disney World's 50th anniversary iridescent decor is being slowly removed from the parks, and in its place are popping up the new platinum and purple Walt Disney Company 100th anniversary decor elements. We spotted a new 100 sign in front of the Main Street train station in Magic Kingdom. There are also new banners and decor inside the Emporium, and we expect to see more appearing over the coming weeks. And Rogers the Musical finally has its opening date. After debuting in the Disney Plus series Hawkeye and making a quick appearance at the D23 Expo in 2022, Rogers the Musical will be debuting in Disney California Adventure for a limited time starting June 30th, 2023. This short one-act musical theater production will feature 5 new original songs created just for Rogers the Musical at Disneyland Resort. The show will be around 30 minutes, and you'll be able to see it at Disney California Adventure from Tuesday through Saturday most weeks. Okay. Disneyland has added a new after-hours event during the month of June for Pride Month. Pride Night celebrates the LGBTQIA+ community and allies with an exclusive event in Disneyland Park after it closes. There will be a special cavalcade, dance parties, photo ops, and snacks only available at the event. Pride Night will take place on June 13th and 15th with a pre-party from 6 to 9 p.m. and exclusive park access from 9 p.m. to 1 a.m. Tickets go on sale on the 18th for Magic key holders and April 20th for everyone else. Now we've got even more Epcot news that I think a lot of you've been waiting for. Those barges are on their way out of World Showcase Lagoon. This past week we saw the first barge disappear now that Harmonious has ended, and the barges will be removed in phases. We're not sure how long it's going to take, but the work has begun, my friends. If you're wandering through Magic Kingdom and you find yourself in Liberty Square, be sure to look up for a chance to spot a hidden character. Princess Tiana has been waving from the windows by Hall of Presidents. We spotted her around 5 p.m., but if you don't see her, you can usually meet her throughout the day at Princess Fairy Tale Hall. At this year's Star Wars celebration in London, in addition to some major show and film news, we learned that new planets and scenes will be coming to Star Tours in Hollywood Studios, Disneyland, and Disneyland Paris. These new scenes will be added to the ride in 2024. Disneyland Paris is getting some major updates, and Disney just released a video showing the progress on construction on the new Frozen-themed land. A similar Frozen land is also being built in Hong Kong Disneyland, where it'll be known as World of Frozen, and it's set to open before the Frozen land in Paris does. Frozen land will also make its way to Tokyo Disney Resort as part of an expansion at Tokyo Disney Sea. Disneyland Paris is also adding Frozen-themed rooms to the Disneyland Hotel there, as well as rooms themed around Tangled, Cinderella, and Sleeping Beauty. Disneyland Paris has also announced some restaurant news. A Mexican-themed restaurant in Frontierland, Fuente del Oro, will be reimagined into Casa de Coco, Restaurante de Familia. And Pizzeria Bellanotte will be getting a Luca-themed room. Finally, Toon Plaza at Walt Disney Studios Park will be reimagined into an immersive experience paying tribute to Pixar films. And in the latest development of the Disney v. Ron DeSantis battle, DeSantis is striking back against Disney's attempt to reduce the power of the newly appointed board in the Florida Tourism Oversight District. The new board is looking to pass measures that would allow board decision to supersede existing safeguards put in place by the previous board that allow Disney more autonomy over land use. This is a dense topic. I know we got lots of articles over on the site if you want to keep up to date with each development, and we've got a video here on the channel to help break down what has been going on and where things stand. The next board meeting takes place on April 19th. We'll be covering any news and updates as they come out. All right, back in Epcot, my friends. We've got a brand new festival menu. I know we're all excited for food and wine, but new food has debuted at Epcot's Flower and Garden Festival. From April 9th to May 20th, Farmer's Feast will be serving up its springtime menu. There's the returning grilled vegetable bruschetta for $5. These vegetables were packed with flavor. The ciabatta was really nicely toasted and the portion size was perfect. We really had no complaints on this one. The new grilled swordfish with crushed fingerling potatoes, pea and mint puree, grilled asparagus, and lemon beurre blanc was a little more expensive at $8.25. Very tasty, though less flavorful than the ingredients may lead you to believe. It's a smaller portion, but still a solid tasting size if you don't need a large meal. There is also the returning strawberry rhubarb upside-down cake with creme fraiche whipped cream for $4.75. This was a really nice portion size for the price, and the flavor was great, not too sweet. They also have a new strawberry rhubarb cocktail for $11.50. Very strong, but very refreshing. Catal Restaurant and its outdoor bar Uva Bar and Cafe have closed after 22 years at Downtown Disney in Disneyland. Disney previously announced that 2 new Mexican restaurants, Paseo and Centrico, will take over this space. The new restaurants will be the creation of Chef Carlos Gaitan, the first Mexican-born chef to earn a Michelin star. We have a permanent closure notification over there in Disneyland. Sprinkles Cupcakes has permanently closed in Downtown Disney, though you'll still find it in Disney Springs and Disney World for now. A lot of things are changing right now in Downtown Disney, with new restaurants opening, relocation, and more coming soon. Sign up for our newsletter to stay on top of all the amazing new things coming. Soup dumplings are on the way, my friends. The link to sign up is in the description below this video. A new pair of Lion King ears have arrived in Disney World. These have a beige headband, blue and purple patterned ears, and a light blue bow that features Simba and Nala. We found these at Island Mercantile in Disney's Animal Kingdom for $34.99. They're also available on Shop Disney. A new Joey Chou Disney Parks collection has been released in the Disney theme parks and online, and part of that includes 3 new Dooney and Burke bags. This includes a wristlet, satchel, and tote with the purple-hued design featuring parks icons, rides, and characters. There is also a pair of ears in the collection. We spotted these online and in Epcot at Creation Shop, but they are selling fast. And we finally spotted the latest Starbucks and Disney collection online in World of Disney at Disney Springs and at Epcot. This includes the Disney World Castle reusable tote bag, there's a Disneyland version too, a reddish-purplish geometric tumbler, a ceramic tumbler, a travel tumbler, a water bottle, and an ornament version of that geometric tumbler, which I've never seen one of those before and it's real cute. And that's all I've got for you today. Don't forget to sign up for our newsletter for all the latest info on anything Disney related, and follow us on social media at Disney Food Blog. Thanks for listening, everyone, and thanks for watching. As always, this is AJ for Disney Food Blog, and we'll see you real soon.